Your people learned AI in the training room. They got back to their actual jobs, and most of what they've learned didn't transfer. Transfer of learning is one of the oldest problems in educational psychology. Thorndike identified it in 1901. Skills learned in one context, they don't automatically apply in a different context, even when the underlying task is nearly identical. The conditions of learning have to match the conditions of performance for a transfer to reliably occur. Most AI training violates this principle. Skills are taught in a low-stakes environment with an instructor, using example scenarios that don't resemble actual work. Then people return to high-pressure, time-sensitive, and consequence-laden situations, and the training doesn't show up. John Sweller's cognitive load theory adds another layer. When working memory is already taxed by real job demands, deadlines, relationships, complexity, there's almost no cognitive bandwidth left to retrieve and apply the newly learned AI behaviors. The skill is there in theory, but inaccessible in practice. The fix isn't better training content, it's better training context. AI capability needs to be developed in the same conditions where it's going to be used, in real projects, real stakes, real time pressures, with structured reflection built in afterward. Not a simulation, not a workshop scenario, but the actual work. This is what learning scientists call contextual learning design. The training wasn't bad, the context was wrong, and context is everything. That's what the research actually says. Follow for the science behind building human capability in the age of AI, and remember, you can't outperform what you haven't outlearned.